Joseph. Whatever he knew about Jesus, he just vomited it out in front of Nathaniel. Now the response was not very warm. What did Nathaniel say? Nazareth, can anything good come from there? Nathaniel asked. What he wanted to say was, the Messiah wouldn't come from Nazareth. Because we are told in the Old Testament, since they were discussing the Old Testament with each other, the Old Testament says that he will come from Bethlehem in Judea. He can't be the Messiah.